Hey, welcome everyone. I'm Jimmy. Thanks for popping in to watch. Like and subscribe. Today we're hanging out in my kitchen because I'm going to show you how to make some awesome bite-sized desserts. I've got 6 amazing recipes that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Get ready to take some notes because you're not going to want to miss this. Let's get started. First up, bite-sized chocolate cheesecake bites. These are super rich and decadent. For the crust, mix 1½ cups of chocolate graham cracker crumbs, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Press into a lined muffin tin. For the filling, beat 16 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of sugar until smooth. Add 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour the batter over the crusts and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18-20 minutes. Let cool completely. For the ganache, heat 1 cup of heavy cream and pour over 1 cup of chopped semi-sweet chocolate chips. Stir until smooth. Frost the cooled cheesecakes with ganache. Enjoy! Next, bite-sized apple crumble pies. Mini versions of your favorite fall dessert. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For the filling, toss 4 cups of peeled and diced apples with a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. For the crumble topping, mix 1/2 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of rolled oats, and a 1/4 cup of cold butter until it resembles coarse crumbs. Spoon the apple filling into mini muffin tins and sprinkle with the crumble topping. Bake for 15-20 minutes until the topping is golden brown. Let cool slightly before serving. Optional. Top with vanilla ice cream. Refreshing bite-sized lemon panna cotta tarts. Light, creamy, and bursting with citrus flavor. For the crust, mix 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Press into mini tart pans. For the filling, heat 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and the zest of 1 lemon until simmering. Stir in 1 packet of bloomed gelatin. Pour into tart shells and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. For the glaze, whisk 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Drizzle over chilled tarts and garnish with lemon zest. Serve and enjoy. Calling all chocolate lovers. Bite-sized chocolate bundt cakes are rich, moist, and perfect for any occasion. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease mini bundt pans. For the batter, mix 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cream 1/2 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of sugar. Add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add dry ingredients to wet ingredients. Pour batter into pans and bake for 15-18 minutes. Let cool. For the glaze, whisk 1 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Drizzle over cooled cakes. Elegant bite-sized vanilla petits fours. Delicious and beautiful. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. For the cake, mix 1½ cups of cake flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cream 1/2 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of sugar. Add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add dry ingredients, alternating with 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Pour batter onto baking sheet and bake for 12-15 minutes. Let cool. Cut into small squares or circles. Coat with classic poured fondant. Last but not least, bite-sized strawberry shortcakes. Perfect summer treat. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For the shortcakes, mix 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Cut in 1/2 cup of cold butter until mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. Pat dough into a 1/2-inch thick round and cut with a 2-inch round cutter. Bake for 12-15 minutes. Hull and slice 1 pound of strawberries, toss with a 1/4 cup of sugar. Split shortcakes in half, top with whipped cream and strawberries. Serve and enjoy. There you have it, folks. 6 incredible bite-sized dessert recipes that are sure to impress your friends and family. Whether you're craving chocolate, fruit, or something in between, there's a recipe here for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.